What if I told you that some of the most futuristic technology you've ever imagined isn't coming in 10 years? It's already here. And trust me, a few of these might completely change the way you think about technology. Let's get started. Here's something that sounds almost too simple to work: cooling your hands. But there's real science behind it. The Cryotherm device is designed to cool specific blood vessels located inside your palms. By helping regulate body temperature during intense exercise, athletes may recover more comfortably between demanding sets, allowing them to maintain performance over longer training sessions. Rather than relying on bulky ice baths or complicated recovery equipment, this compact device focuses on one surprisingly effective part of the body. It's another reminder that innovation doesn't always mean adding more power. Sometimes it's about understanding human biology more intelligently. What if your in-ear monitors could block out the noise of a live stage while staying comfortable for hours? Sony's new IERM500 professional in-ear monitors are designed for musicians, performers, and live sound engineers, featuring a fully sealed design and a large acoustic chamber for improved noise isolation and accurate audio monitoring. They come with 4 sizes of noise-isolating ear tips and proprietary ear-fit supporters to ensure a secure, comfortable fit during long performances. Part of Sony's professional monitoring lineup alongside the MDR M1 Studio headphones, the IERM500 is available in clear, black, and red and blue color options to suit different stage setups and personal styles. What if your Apple Watch could tell you exactly when you've had too much sun? BURØV is a dermatologist-founded wearable that pairs with the Apple Watch and uses its patented TrueSun technology to monitor your UV exposure in real time. Instead of offering generic advice, it analyzes your skin type and current environmental conditions to deliver personalized guidance throughout the day, helping you better protect your skin. Created by board-certified dermatologist and Mohs surgeon Dr. Brian Mathis, the device is currently available for $179 through August 31st with lifetime access to future updates and no subscription required. BURØV also supports direct HSA and FSA payments through TrueMed, which verifies eligibility instantly and eliminates the need for manual reimbursement. Garmin has built a reputation for making some of the most trusted adventure watches on the planet. Now, leaks suggest the company may be preparing something entirely new. The rumored Garmin Cirqa appears to combine premium everyday styling with the rugged durability Garmin users expect. Early reports point toward advanced health tracking, extended battery life, and a refined design aimed at people who want one smartwatch that works equally well in the office and outdoors. While Garmin hasn't officially revealed every detail yet, the excitement surrounding these leaks highlights just how competitive wearable technology has become. Today's smartwatch isn't just counting steps anymore. It's becoming your personal health dashboard. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary cutting tool, until you switch it on. Instead of relying entirely on blade pressure, the Zench cutter uses ultrasonic vibrations to help slice through materials with remarkable precision: foam, plastic, leather, fabric, thin composite materials. Cuts become smoother, cleaner, and require noticeably less force. For makers, hobbyists, model builders, and professional workshops alike, this opens up entirely new possibilities. It's one of those tools you probably don't realize you need until you've tried it once. Godox C100. Modern cameras are incredibly powerful, but there's one habit many photographers have developed. Take a photo, look at the screen. Take another, look at the screen again. The Godox C100 takes a surprisingly different approach. Instead of giving photographers a large preview display that constantly demands attention, it encourages a much more natural shooting experience. The minimalist design lets photographers stay focused on what's actually happening in front of them instead of reviewing every shot. It's a refreshing reminder that great photography isn't just about megapixels or AI processing. Sometimes it's about trusting your instincts. In a world overflowing with screens, this tiny camera encourages something we've almost forgotten: simply being present. Sleepal AI lamp. Most bedside lamps do one thing: they provide light. Sleepal wants to do much more. Using contactless sensing technology, this smart lamp can monitor sleeping patterns without requiring users to wear a smartwatch or fitness band. It tracks movement, breathing trends, and other sleep-related information while intelligently adjusting lighting to support healthier bedtime routines. Instead of waking you with harsh light, it gradually changes illumination to better match your natural circadian rhythm. It's a subtle example of ambient technology. Technology that quietly works in the background without constantly demanding your attention. Sometimes the smartest device in your home is the one you barely notice. AI creating professional-looking app icons usually requires hours of design work and a good eye for detail. IconCraft wants to change that completely. Instead of spending hours inside complex design software, users simply describe the style they're looking for. The AI then generates polished icon concepts in seconds, giving developers and designers multiple creative directions almost instantly. Rather than replacing creativity, it removes repetitive work, allowing creators to focus on refining ideas instead of starting from a blank canvas. As AI continues transforming creative industries, tools like IconCraft show that the future of design may be less about drawing every pixel manually and more about directing intelligent software to bring ideas to life. Would you trust AI to design your next app? Hair transplant robot. Hair restoration has always depended heavily on the skill and experience of a surgeon. Even the smallest inconsistency can affect the final result. Now imagine handing that level of precision over to a robot. The latest robotic hair transplant systems use high-resolution imaging, artificial intelligence, and robotic guidance to identify healthy follicles, extract them with exceptional consistency, and assist doctors throughout the transplantation process. Instead of replacing medical professionals, these systems act as incredibly accurate surgical assistants. The biggest advantage isn't speed alone, it's consistency. Every graft can be selected using detailed image analysis, helping reduce unnecessary damage to surrounding hair while making the procedure more predictable. For patients, that can mean shorter procedures, improved precision, and potentially faster recovery. It's a perfect example of AI quietly improving healthcare, not by replacing humans, but by helping them perform at an even higher level. What if you could train like a professional athlete without leaving home? Wattbike's new Air Pro brings the company's commercial-grade indoor cycling platform to home users, combining dual air and magnetic resistance for a realistic ride that's suitable for sprints, endurance training, rehabilitation, and high-volume workouts. A next-generation performance touchscreen provides real-time metrics, testing protocols, and instant performance feedback, while the subscription-free Wattbike Hub app includes structured training plans, VO2 max testing, a health span score that estimates your biological fitness age, and sport-specific workouts designed by professional coaches. It's a premium indoor bike built to deliver elite-level training from the comfort of your home. If you enjoyed this countdown and want to discover more groundbreaking inventions shaping the future, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.